Hi folks, Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today we're going to put some summer squash seeds into the ground. Now previously I haven't had a whole lot of luck with growing summer squash. This is the yellow squash that you see in the stores with a long neck and a fat bottom. And I want to go about it differently this year. I'm actually going to invest a little bit of money into some products that might help the squash grow better. Now what I did was I went on YouTube and found a video made by Hollis and Nancy. Their YouTube channel is Hollis and Nancy's Homestead, and the video was made 5 years ago, but Hollis uses a technique that is a little different than what I've ever used. What he does is he places fish into the ground, covers them with lime, and then covers all that with soil. Apparently the lime is supposed to keep the critters from coming after the fish, and he places them 10 inches deep so that they're not too far away from the roots when the squash plants develop their roots. They go, I think, 14 inches deep, the roots do. So the fish act as a fertilizer, and the lime just keeps the critters away. So we're going to try that this year. Let's get started. Okay, I purchased some burpee seeds. Now these are Ford Hook Farm heirloom variety. It's summer squash, so it'll be that yellow one there, not the zucchini over here. So I got 5 packs here, and I'm going to put 1 pack into each of the holes that I have dug. And as you see over here, I've dug them down about 10 inches deep, maybe 11. That's where I'll place my fish. Now also, I just went to Home Depot's organic garden lime. Now the cost on that was approximately, I believe, $6. Yeah, so there you go. There's the $5.86 USD, and then I just went and got some Spanish sardines from what's that place? Walmart, and that cost me about $9 right there. So let's get started. All right, the fish are in the holes. You see them down there. Right there. Now I put about 6 or 7 in each hole. It's probably a little more than I'm gonna need, but who cares, right? Gonna have plenty of fertilizer going through this growing season. So now I'm gonna cover them with some lime. All right, the lime is covering the fish. We used copious amounts. Don't be shy. 2.5, 3 handfuls. Nice big scoops will work. At least that's what is my impression. See? Now we're going to put the dirt on top. Alright, you see the dirt is on top now. Pretty much backfilled those holes almost completely. Left about a couple inches of play. Now I'm going to place the seeds in there. Alright, for moisture retention, what I want to do is place a little bit of this mulch on top of the seeds, just a little bit. Now this mulch was made from the palm frond stick portion, so and I ran it through a Sun Joe and it came out really fine, so I'm thinking this is going to work out good. Okay, you can see evenly spaced, well, maybe not evenly, but kind of just sprinkled them around in each of the holes. And now I'm going to put a little bit of mulch on them, and then also some eggshells. I want the eggshells to, you know, hopefully fight some of that nematode intrusion that tends to happen with these melon and squash types of plants. So can't be too careful, in my opinion, when it comes to fighting the root boring nematode. Alright, now you see some eggshells are mixed in with the seeds. I only crushed them by hand and sprinkled them on top. I want them to be in where the roots are. That's why you see me doing this. Alright, I put a little bit of the mulch in on top of the seeds, but not too much. I basically barely sprinkled it on. I just want a little bit of moisture retention and then also some nutrients to feed these seedlings when they start to sprout. Alright, I put about an inch of soil over top, and you see there's still a little crater going on there. I want to put some of that mulch on top now, and I want the water to sit in. That's why I'm going to keep a little crater going. Alright, I put about an inch of mulch, covered the bowl pretty much almost to the rim, and I'm just going to water these in. And I'm really going to hope that all of this extra effort and thinking and a few extra dollars pays off, because I really want to get some squash this year. Thanks for watching. Thanks Nancy and Hollis for your video and for providing so much insight into gardening for the future gardeners of the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out tremendously. And stay tuned, because I'll be updating you on the progress of these techniques. And we'll see what the yield is. Thanks for watching.